For the very first time, former President John Dramani Mahama, aba bonten de nsem bi abetudwa na ne nsem a woka nyina ne se nsem bi a President Akufo-Addo enyama bi a wode ato na akwan mu no wo bo na baso wo se nipa de oya ade ya wo sa yeyi wenyi na ya men say anything. Now there's one thing this coronavirus thing has actually done. What sha media na me say politics about NDC ne MPP akoko wasatra akomaka enye ne fe de NDC beye embra na NDC ewa aban mu no de omo beye che say wo mo yeden krenye MPP fe MPP so omo aban mu ade omo beye bia no enye NDC fe. But what sha from 2 days ni me the stories bia brewa a trail say even the top executives of the NDC Eyasiedun Ketia ene Sami Jemfi and someone wa mo kan afa Akufo-Addo senya wa handle coronavirus in nyama bia wa ye no, even though yes they are saying say obetumi aye more no, they accept the fact say Akufo-Addo aya ade e was senya wa handle case ni mu. And then the Ghana ni bia better say at least say Akufo-Addo nya hwekra na senya constantly wo ba ebe kasatre Ghana for. And there's one thing about senya Akufo-Addo president wakasatre Ghana for. I don't know whether it is training, he has been trained or not, but there's one thing bia de bia wobekasa you get the feeling of incranche. Say Akufo-Addo be address Ghana nation no, and that mean okay say coronavirus cases no it do 313 cost through every single day. Akufo-Addo be address nation now, you get a sense of oh everything is okay. Say me I want to obekasa like ube who say like he the government have this under control. That's the feeling you get. And in times like this, no, that particular thing is very important. If your leader makes you see say oh bibia at the form mamunsura, it is very important, because one thing about yare bi to say virus yare to say coronavirus any AIDS then they say even fear will kill you before sa yare no ebekun akoye say AIDS wo bi ekoye test na wonya AIDS pe na afi adwendwen sa obonsanya yare na nebekun no ba adwendwen no na adwendwen ne kuno enu hunti me wadamfo bi a wono de wakantam se won koye AIDS test that because o say onima entumi nkuno ati ase aha. So that's one thing about saying ya Akufo-Addo wo ba bontin a wo bekasa na yanko ensemo a ex-president Mahama wo de atodwa no. One of the reliefs President Akufo-Addo and the betudwa mo share water bill a wo ka say Ghana phone na for 3 months yentia no. One of the reliefs that wo de tudwa and say omo a wo mu ni bibidi, because Ghana has say I can tell you a lot of Ghana your population no, they live by the day. Yakaso will be a live by the day. I just say any bakono oni sika bia obeka say ebia wo ska wo bank wo savings bi da ho oni bibia sa eye anopa ana every day wo sorry a wo kokodipa no wokodipa ne wi a no de sika no akoma na busuafo ne family no mde aye aduane di for that day. There are a lot of people in Ghana here, that is how they live. They live by the day. Now, eho ena yeni say so obi san lockdown we aba na trese nipa kono ntumi nkoye adwuma, because you see obi an hwefie. Now if the person is living by the day adwane be no bedi. Inti president relief no kasa nkrofo obi san no ye be make sure say ye be mama omu adwane about 400 people. Ye be mama omu adwane ye nua ye bonsem e ma president say sa ade no wa ya ade. It is ade no na Mahama can say strategy a president no wodi aye sa ade no wa ya ade papa obi be bisa say ana strategy ben bibi say nanka ye ka say aban krofo ene enya nanka obviously nanka wonim say diane no asema ye kan nanka ebekwa ma NPP for, and you know it NDC wa be mu kranka sa Ghana ha say aban ye bibi ni ye ka say aban na ne krofo ene enya omo de come omo party for, we all know that. Inti strategy a Akufo-Addo use ya Mahama Ebo na baso ne say Akufo-Addo the sharing of food ema the poor no or they share in sorry for nsem religious organizations and what they show mun nsem say mo na monye sa ade no because Ghana has a yenim say oh religious organizations in there they don't do things on political lines. Yemfa no say Roman for eko area bi akwa aduane oni me yenim say Roman ni no onka say onipa we na Roman asori no omonka say onipa we NDC ni ti ye manage ane no we ye MPP ni ono pe ne de like you know say asori ne de wo mo nya sa it that is a strategy the president has used because no president nanga misusu say no wonim say ade we what the share government agency bin sa omo ananke wo so mo nya aduane no mo nya on be kwa koma MPP for. It is our strategy we are Akufo-Addo use no and no na Mahama eka obo na baso say Akufo-Addo we why ya de eye ne kre pa say me your rival eye ne kre say election say ba tre say me opposition mom na so ade a wa ye eye meka na me pese me read Mahama nankasa ne numu asem de wodi to dwa say the president's announcement of the distribution of hot meals and dry food packages to deprived communities is welcome news. The president stated that this will be in collaboration with faith-based organizations. The collaboration is good news because if care is not taken in both the distribution and procurement of food, partisan and parochial interest would defeat the purpose of the whole gestures. Imagine pound sena ka ade we na ka ye de hye aban krofo nsa na area na wo mode kono sabi wo munim say NDC for stronghold and na wo munim say MPP for nso stronghold e wo baby you and I know sena ka ejane no ne dodo na ye de bekwa akoto eye MPP for wo mo stronghold no. It is just what our politics have become. Ghana sisia and politics no abeye inti for president no just say wonya eniso ade hunu edwen ehu ne se daabi ade we de wo nim no de ko she party fo nsa ebedi Ghana fo nya no ade a ewo se yebo president no abaso ade a wo se yebo na abaso papa and I'll say yemu bi no. Yes, initially we were bashing President Akufo-Addo because initially Nani said he wasn't being proactive with coronavirus. Now, Embrana Nigeria for recording case, Togo for recording case. No, yemu bi babontin ebesre president ne say yes no. Say Nigeria recording na Togo recording na Burkina Faso so recording na Ivory Coast recording. Nkrofo we wo mo benyen Ghana yes you be recording ti want to border nim. But president and two board and him yenya 21 cases, imported cases, and some of two board and him. Me babontin ebe bashe president says de na wo ye no wanya de. Because I know can say Africa has say say two countries be pe and I area no NC ho Lesotho. Now I think say Lesotho for president no he was extremely proactive. Yes, me babontin me bashi Akufo-Addo say wanya de but to be fair, now the way he's handling it, the way he's holding press conferences, explaining matters to Ghanaians, no, Sisiano Obeka say at least he's handling it well. Ababe duwe Obeka ho asem kra still na ababe duwe nti Sisiano or handle no ye. Na Meka Lesotho asem Meka say dentia and Lesotho, womo ye one of the African countries still womo record the case ne say. Womo say Africa has say yare no sha asie se eba Africa wo mo tse se embrofofo because yare no Ghana ha say eye obi a ofi amanone na wo de ba first Nigeria obi a ofi amanone na wo de ba first Burkina Faso obi a ofi amanone na wo de say Africa de yen tie baby o na nkofo de ade no efri abroche ebreye iti Lesotho president who says ade ni sina na pim wo man the airport any borders near your two mu inti ende That is why Lesotho up till now and there are yenia Ghana ye cases arise yakodu 313 no womo still womo enya case ba kumpo ye because still ya two womo airport and womo borders mu inti yes na even citizens womo wo kuro ni mu no they can still go to work, they can still do everything they want to do because ye nim say ya two border nim yare no so nkrofo ene different border ni mu den eba any Africa has say. That is what I personally wanted for Ghana, but Esiewie Sisiano baby ayedu no, we just have to manage it. And when it comes to the management, I think the president has really done well. I think the president has done well. You know, even opposition John Dramani Mahama bosso say Ekufado ayade. I think say Ghana Fonso was say you say yes, why are there? Montreal comment box for Medase.